In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page on Webflow. Full guide. Start by heading to your Webflow sites area and open the site you want to work on. From there, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Once the designer loads, open the Pages panel on the left. Find the page you want to copy, hover over it to reveal its options, and choose Duplicate. This creates a new page based on the original, so you don't have to rebuild layouts or styles from scratch. A settings panel will appear for your new page. Give the page a clear descriptive name so teammates can recognize it later. Next, update the slug, which is the URL path for the page. Keep it lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and make sure it's unique. Short, readable slugs are best for both visitors and search engines. Scroll to Access Control. By default, pages are public, which means anyone can view them once published. If you're working on something that shouldn't be visible yet, switch to Anyone with the Password. This is helpful for approvals or private previews. Choose the option that matches your workflow and remember to avoid including any sensitive information on public pages. Open the SEO Settings section to polish how your page appears in search results. Add a concise page title that reflects the content, and write a brief meta description that clearly explains what visitors will find. This helps search engines understand your page and can improve click-through rates. Next, set your social sharing details under the Open Graph fields. Add an Open Graph title and description that mirror your SEO copy, and choose an image that looks good when shared. A horizontal image around 1200 by 630 pixels typically displays well across major platforms. If your site uses Webflow's native search, check Site Search Settings. Decide whether you want this new page included in site search results. If it's a thank you page, test environment, or otherwise not useful to users, consider excluding it to keep your search results clean. When everything looks good, click Create. Webflow will generate the duplicate page with your updated settings. From here, you can open the new page in the designer and start editing content, images, and components without affecting the original. Take a moment to preview your changes to ensure links, headings, and SEO fields match your goals. That's it. You've duplicated a page, customized its access, refined its SEO and social preview, and set its search behavior, all while keeping your original